equals the MSI MS16R5 just won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue often happens due to a faulty power supply or internal failure. We check the power supply connections and internal components to find the root cause. Once identified, we repair or replace the necessary parts to ensure your device works perfectly again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.